Hey guys, I hope you're well. Today I'll show you how to upload your local repository to GitHub. This is very simple if you have VS Code installed on your machine, and also you make sure you have Git. So make sure you have Git. So this is Git. You just install it. You go to their website. Let's see if I can get to their website over here. Git download. This is for people who use Windows. So you just click on here, download, and then it will do everything. So you see, where is it? Downloads. Yeah, this one. You just click on this button, it will download Git, and then you just follow the instructions. You will have it installed. Okay, so you have a local repository like this. You have an index.html, some folders as well. It's very easy. You just click on up here, this panel. Then this will open PowerShell by default. If you want to change that, you can click down here and go to Git Bash. Yeah, and then this is preference, of course. You can choose to use the PowerShell, it will still work. So let me use, for purposes of this tutorial, I'll use Bash. It's over here at this button, and then you just choose Git Bash. Okay. So the first thing that you have to do is write this command: git initialize git init branch main. So it has initialized, so make sure you add everything. So git add everything. So it's adding everything. You see, it's now added. And then you have to do git commit for the message. First commit. You can make the message any other to be anything else. So just use first commit for mine. So it has committed the changes. And then now for you to add this into GitHub, you can use the CLI command line, a command line interface. Just using this, you haven't gone anywhere. So what you do now is write GitHub. What does it say? Repository create. It's very simple. So it will ask you create a new repository on GitHub from scratch or push an existing local repository. So since you already have the repository, you just use the arrow keys, you select the push an existing one. Path, you can leave it just as that, press enter. So the repository name is just picked, so that's what I have called mine. Then yeah, if I wanted to change the repository name, I can just type over here and say new QR. Maybe let's say new. Let me just write the same name. Okay, something like that, or yeah, upload. Let me just use the correct name. Similar, and then you press enter. So description, you can add a description. So let's say this is a new menu to be uploaded in HTML, just like that. And so do you want to make this private, public, or internal? For mine, I'll make it private, so because I don't want many people accessing it. So press enter, and then add remote. Yes. So what should the remote be called? We call it origin by default. Just press enter. And then would you like to push commits from your current branch to GitHub? Yeah, just press Y, or yeah, just type Y as yes, because what we just committed up here, if you remember this ones. So that, yes, would you like, then it's doing the job. So it's writing objects. It's going to take a bit of time because I have a lot. Yeah. So it's just so it's 77 out of 163. And that's just it. When we go on GitHub, I'll show you the repository will have been created. as it uploads. I don't know if I can get my GitHub. Let me get in my GitHub. GitHub. Let me just log in and go to repositories. Where are my repositories? Your repositories. Yeah, here. So here's the repository that we just updated a minute ago. And if I open it, see, it's also private. The others are public. If you wanted the code for the previous work that we did, it's over here. And then this is just public. You can access this, but this is not private. And then it's uploading. So that's just it. It's very simple. Actually, it's done. Or did I find an error? I think it's done. Yeah. So thanks.